everybody, it's Ivy, and today I'm coming on here with a hair video. So we're going to be installing this beautiful unit you guys see right here. This is from Mega Look Hair. What I love about this unit is that it's completely glueless, as you guys can see. Completely glueless. Super easy to install. You just pop it on your head, fix your baby hairs, and you're ready to go. That's it. And y'all, this hair is so soft. I love, love, love this color. It's gorgeous on deeper complexions and also lighter complexions. It works for everybody. Like, I love this color. If I wasn't so scared, y'all, I would honestly dye my real hair this color, but all my hair will fall out. So we're not going to do that. For now, we're going to play with colors with our wig. So if you guys want to see how I installed this and styled it, keep on watching. So we're going to be starting off with our wig grip cap. And I got this off of Amazon. If you guys are interested, I will have it linked below. I absolutely love this cap. You guys have probably heard me say that before. So we're going to be working with a company called Mega Look. This will be my first time trying out any of their products. And I'm super excited. So inside of the little baggie, let's see, it's another little baggie here. And it's a wig cap. A edge brush. We could never have too many of those. A edge elastic. These are some really pretty eyelashes that were included. And I also got this really cute clip. Isn't that cute? I love that. So let's get to the good stuff. So let's go ahead and get our wig open. I'm excited. Ooh, this is pretty. Came with an elastic band that you can attach onto the wig. And I also see some tape in there. So this is one of their lace closure units. And I love Mega Look. I love y'all. I love Mega Look because you know why? Look at this, y'all. They don't have any combs or anything in there. So they just saved me all that time of having to do it myself. And this is what the lace closure looks like. I'm excited to hurry up and put it on. Let's go ahead and put it on. This wig cap, you guys, is so comfortable. Cap, it feels very nice, very secure. So I brought you guys in just a little bit. I am gonna pluck a little bit, but I'm gonna do this wig glueless. So the baby hairs, I'm just gonna separate a little bit right there. Cause I'm gonna do the soft baby hairs that are a little bit more free flowing. But first I'm gonna take my tweezer. I'm just gonna tweeze a little bit, not too much, cause it really doesn't need a whole lot. Y'all know I'm just picky. And I think I told you guys in another video, but I've been preferring plucking on my head just because, I don't know, you guys, it's just usually when I do it off my head, I just always take out too much hair and then I'm irritated. And since this is a closure, it's super easy. Okay, you guys, so the next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and take my scissors and then I'm gonna cut my lace. So you guys can see look how good that blends just after I cut the lace. I didn't add any tint or anything. Once we put tint on it, it's gonna look even better. Okay, you guys, so I think I've plucked enough. What I'm gonna do is take my hot comb, and I'm using my Andes hot comb. And I love this thing, you guys. It gets so hot. And I'm just gonna press it out. I know I'm doing this before I co-wash it, but I'm doing that for a reason, just so everything could be nice and flat. So So I'm gonna clip this part back, and then we're gonna work on our baby hair. So what I'm gonna do is take some shears. I'm gonna bring my hair this way, and I'm just gonna cut. And then we're gonna take our little bitty flat irons and just curl this hair. You just wanna do tight curls. Then you just wanna get an edge brush. So this is how I did the baby hairs. Like I said, I want this to be glueless. I want the exaggerated baby hair, but I don't want the crunch. You know what I'm saying? So that's how I did my baby hair. And now I'm going to take some EBN Tinted Lace Aerosol Spray in dark brown. And I'm just spraying this on to hide those knots. Now I'm going to take a little bit of wax and I'm going to put it right. Now I'm just going to press it back just a little bit. Okay, you guys, so now we're going to go ahead and spray it down with water. The hair is really soft and very pretty. Ooh, y'all, I love this color. I've wet this side down. I'm just gonna run my brush through it. And a little trick that I like to do with my curly hair, I like to take my brush and go just like this. Kind of roll it through the hair. This helps define those curls. Now, I didn't put any product in this hair. I wanted to see exactly how it would look and curl with nothing in it. Okay, you guys, so let your curls go ahead and dry. Don't keep touching them. The hair is drying nicely, and this is the length of the hair. So I'm gonna clean up my little area, and when I come back, my hair should be nice and dry. One thing I have to note about the hair, you guys, it is so soft. Like, the hair feels like, I don't know, like clouds. It's just like really soft curly hair. And for it to be affordable hair, you guys, it's super soft. I really love how this hair feels, and especially for it to be colored hair, it is extremely soft. I did get some shedding, but it wasn't too much. I mean, you're gonna have shedding after you've plucked and freshly installed a unit, but for the most part, not that much shedding. The hair is buttery soft, and I don't have any product in it. I definitely love my curls free and wild like this. It just, I don't know, it just gives them like this really natural look. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I will have it linked below. Y'all, try this out because it's so cute. Like, this is a perfect wig to have in your collection, you know, when you just want to do something different and switch it up. And I love this color. This color is gonna look good into the fall seasons. I love it, y'all. So yeah, you guys, that was quick, that was fast. Not much else to say about this beautiful unit. If you guys are interested, this unit will be linked below along with everything else I used from today's video. Thanks again for watching another one of my videos. Please don't forget to thumb this up, comment below, and subscribe, and make sure you click that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video. Now, I will talk to y'all on the next one.